Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So, to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages, we should have our screen recording toggle, so if you don't see it on the first one, you can keep swiping to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now for me, the toggle is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this overlay right here with the record option, the sound options, and close. Under sound, you can choose to record either microphone, system sound, or mute it. I select mute, and then I can click on a circle to start recording. Whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the device. By the looks of it, when it's recording, it's doing it in 30 frames per second. And it's also copying that in the device into 30 seconds per frame, 30 frames per second. So it's not optimal. Now let's see if we have something like Netflix right here, which I would want to showcase. But by the looks of it, we do not, unfortunately. So in any case, I'm just gonna open up something like the file manager as a way to showcase an application. Let's close this. And we can now stop it by clicking on the square. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. So we can open up Google Photos. And here we can navigate to Library. And probably Screenshots. Yep, Screenshots. Even though it's a screen recording, it is located in Screenshots, as you can see right here. Now you can see the kind of poor quality right here. This is a very low bit rate, so let's see if we can fix that up so we can have a better video quality or screen recording quality. So what you can do is, when you find the toggle, instead of tapping on it, hold it. This will take you to the settings, and here we have sound, so we don't really care about that. The video quality, which we do. Here you can select it to be high, and that's really the only thing that we can change right here. So let's see if this had any kind of effect. Okay, so number one, we're already running at least 60 frames, if not more. Although I think screen recording will be capped at 60. So that's pretty good. Actually, never mind, I wasn't even recording. We're back to, so I think it was higher frame rate. Now it's still above 30, what it was before. Okay, let's stop it and take a look at this. Okay, so the bitrate is still garbage. Not as bad as it was initially, but if you look at it right about... where was it? There we go. So you can see that it kind of like right here starts to get pixelated. Not the blurry effect, but the pixelation right before. So that is something that you might experience in recording your any kind of screen content, and obviously this looks kind of bad. And unfortunately here it doesn't look like we have any kind of option to increase the bitrate, because that's what it is caused by. So I would maybe recommend downloading some other screen recording application if you want to have a decent screen recording quality. The one that comes pre-installed right here is not the best. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.